Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a box reopening of Goller hot rods. Oil filter pump kit. You get the instructions. They're pretty good instructions. Again, it's a reopening, so I've already looked at this. I'm not gonna try and pretend that I'm opening up for the first time. I looked at them, they look kind of simple. There are some areas that I have questions about, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. So you get an oil filter. This looks like an oil pump. Some lines. The oil filter mounting bracket, that's what I'm gonna call it, and some fittings. The kit is, in order to order it, you can't order it on the online. You actually have to. I tried emailing him, and he didn't respond. I'm not trying to badmouth him, but it's just what happened. I tried calling and left a message, and I didn't get a response. And I finally called on a Saturday, and he happened to answer. He's very helpful, but he's the only guy who sells it. There's another kit I know, but I know it exists. I forgot what the name is, but it's sold out right now. So I'm gonna attempt to install this on my car, but I'm having issues with taking the oil pan. I have a 36 Ford with a flathead, and I'm having issues, but I may or may not post a video of this. Thank you.